I am super excited about bringing a place to Bloomsburg that I think people love. It really is a home for everyone.
Hello, my name's Justin Hummel.
And I'm Kim Cuss.
Welcome to Brewskis Coffee Bar in beautiful downtown Bloomsburg. We came back in 2019 to operate the business that was occupying my building here. At the time, it was mostly focused on late night student activity, and we were doing live music. We started using the kitchen to produce pierogies. My wife is first generation American, her family heritage is Polish. There's certainly a large Eastern European community around here. So we started making the pierogies under the name Pierogi by Kim. The name Brewskis came up in the sense of we have beer and we have coffee and we have Polish food. And this is where we find ourselves today.
We are extremely proud to say everything that we make is made in-house and from scratch. We've got a great pastry cabinet with an ooey gooey butter cake, which I'm blown away how many people love it. We make biscuits that are stuffed with egg and different mixtures. And then the menu kind of changes into our pierogi menu, which we serve from 10 a.m. till 10 p.m.
And then on the weekends, we do brunch. So we have a brunch menu that includes avocado toast, a variety of frittata, and French toast as well. None of these recipes that we're using are necessarily family recipes. They're ones that we took the time to perfect. So when we started with the coffee shop bar theme upstairs, we really weren't sure what we were gonna do down here. One of the things that was picking up before we moved back here was duckpin bowling. We sort of built the idea around that, and it just evolved from there.
We worked really hard, and I'm proudest about bringing the locals and the students alike. Bloomsburg's very unique. I've never lived in such a small town, and I love it.
I take a lot of pride in what we're offering to the community. To be able to have a place that offers something that you don't expect. That's fun to be able to do. Bloomsburg's a very adaptive community, and that's what makes it a fun place to do business. I'm also generally unemployable otherwise.